Children, today we will study about the salt. Salt is an ionic compound formed by neutralization reaction. So it comes under the acid plus base is equal to salt plus water. For example, sodium chloride. We are daily using sodium chloride salt. It is a definition of salt. Now chemical forms of the salt. Compounds, first one sodium hydroxide NaOH, second one bleaching powder CaOCl2, third one baking soda NaHCO3. These are the important compounds of salt. Chemical from common salt. How we are obtaining? First one sodium hydroxide NaOH. When electrically passed through an aqueous solution of NaCl, it decomposes to form NaOH. For example, 2NaCl plus 2H2O, it forms 2NaOH plus Cl2 ions plus H2. It is a reaction. Now uses of sodium hydroxide. It is used to make soaps and detergent. Main important. It is mainly used to make the soaps and detergent. In this Cl2 minus ions is acid, and H2 minus ion is the base. Second uses, it is used in a paper manufacture. Chemical, mainly sodium hydroxide is used as a paper manufacture. It is used in oil refining factories. It also used in a PVC manufacture. It is a polyvinyl chloride. It is mainly pipes. In that sodium hydroxide is using. And also used as a pesticides. Second one, bleaching powder. Bleaching powder's chemical name is CaOCl2. It is produced by the action of chlorine on dry scaled lime. In a chemical reaction, CaOH twice plus Cl2, it forms CaOCl2 plus H2O. Its uses. Bleaching powder is mainly used as a bleaching cotton and linens in industries. Bleaching wood pulp in paper factories. Third application. It is used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industries. And fourth one, disinfecting drinking water. So for clarification, for water purification, bleaching powder is using. Third one, baking soda, NaHCO3. Its chemical name is NaHCO3. Its reaction, NaCl plus H2 plus CO2 plus NH4. It forms NH4Cl and plus NaHCO3. It is NaHCO3 is nothing but baking soda. Its properties, it is mild and non-corrosive base. When it is heated during the cooking, it forms 2NaHCO3, it forms Na2CO3 plus H2O and plus what? Carbon dioxide. Na2CO3 is nothing but sodium carbonate. Baking soda's uses. It is used as an ingredient antacid. It is used in the fire extinguisher. Third one, for making baking powder, that is baking soda plus tartaric acid is nothing but baking powder. Uses of baking powder. It is used in breads, cake to make it soft and spongy. So mainly it is used in a manufacture of idli, dosa, cakes, bread to make the soft and spongy. Fourth one, washing soda. Chemical compound is Na2CO3 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. It is the chemical compound of washing soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives the washing soda. It is a basic salt. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O. It forms Na2CO3 into 10H2O. So it forms as a recrystallization of sodium carbonate. Its uses: it mainly used in a glass, soap and paper industry. Its application: manufacture of borax. Third application: cleaning agent in a houses. We are daily using washing soda in a cleaning agent. And fourth one, removing the hardness of water. So making a hard water into soft water, we are using the washing soda. So it will ask for the exam purpose, only ask if 2 marks uses, or write the properties and uses means 3 marks. Fifth one, plaster of Paris. Chemical compound CaSO4 into half H2O. CaSO4 into half H2O. It is the chemical compound of plaster of Paris. When heating gypsum chemical name is, chemical compound is CaSO4 into 2H2O. At 100 degrees Celsius, it loses water molecules and becomes POP, that is a plaster of Paris. Short form is POP, plaster of Paris. It is a white powder. On mixing with water, it changes into a gypsum. It's given as a CaSO4 into half H2O plus 1 into half H2O. It forms CaSO4 into 2H2O. Uses: mainly it is used as a doctors using to support the fractured bones. When bone became fractured, the attempt for giving the support hard substance, that is a plaster of Paris. Second one, for making the toys, decoration of materials. So it is the hard substance. So it is used for the making the toys and decorative materials. And also it is used as a for making the surface